Today, I'm going to show you how to verify whether your UAE police clearance certificate PCC attestation is officially recognized by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, MOFA. We will use the MOFA Verify platform, a digital system that allows you to instantly confirm the authenticity, integrity, and validity of any trusted, digitally attested document. This platform checks your document directly from the official government source. You will notice the UAE flag and the official government branding on the page. The link you must use is verify.mofa.gov.ae. This is the official MOFA document verification portal. Step 1. Enter your attestation. Details on the verification page. Select Document Verification. You will be asked to enter two things: attestation number, attestation date from your police clearance certificate, PCC. You will find reference number issue date. The reference number on your PCC is the same as the attestation number. So, enter the reference number in the attestation number field, and then enter the attestation date. Step 2. Complete the security check. After entering the details, the system will ask you to complete a security validation. This may include fingerprint selection, CAPTCHA, other verification prompts. For example, if it asks you to select a fingerprint, simply choose the fingerprint icon and proceed. Once the validation is successful, click Verify Document. Step 3. View your verified attestation. If your PCC is officially attested, you will see a confirmation message stating, "This document is verified and digitally signed by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs." This means your PCC is fully attested and recognized by the UAE government. You will also see all the document details exactly as they appear on your original PCC, including request number, reference number, attestation number, issue date. You can also download the verified attested copy directly from the portal. For example, if you have a PCC issued in Kenya or any other country, once attested by UAE MOFA, the verification results will match perfectly with your original document. Thank you for watching and supporting Mentoring TV. For more clear step-by-step tutorials on visas, documents, and travel processes, remember to subscribe, like, and share. Your support helps us continue creating helpful content for everyone.